Okay, we'll continue from the last video here. We're working on the body's background. Let's see if we can find some image here. I put an image here. It's just a background scene, and the color is very strong. So but this is a way, if you have a background, you can use Photoshop to change it, and there is a way to change the opacity. It's a little bit more complicated, so I'm going to ignore that, and I'm going to change the background color back to probably a little bit gray, just a little bit gray. Okay, and get rid of the background color, but instead I'll put this background color to the header. Change the header size to a little bit wider, then you can put a background color. How about 90 pixels? No, not width, but height. Alright, and then I'm going to put a little background color here. Background image here. Oops, sorry. So I have to select the background. Okay, and then we're good. So that's a background. However, the text from text color is kind of not easy to see. So I'm going to go ahead and change the font color back to probably a much darker gray. Okay, maybe not total black, but darker gray color. And then I'd like to align to center so you can see. Okay. And as a name, as the page extended, then the size, the full, the width is extended, and the full name of the header will be shown there. Okay, that's it. Adding a background. So another thing is I would like to create for the navigation area. So I would choose to have this navigation to get that to a size, maybe put on the left for a vertical navigation, and the width I probably want to put 120 there. Pixel. Oops, sorry. I'm still in the header. So that's body header, and I need to get another. That's navigation. I would like to have a navigation. Okay. Enter. So navigation would have width for 120 pixels, so you can see the size of the size of the width for navigation change. And I can give fixed size for the height, or I just leave it alone right now, and then let it flow to the left, because you want the content to flow left, so the rest of the content will go to the right, so you can see the structure of navigation on the left and content to the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the layout, and then let it flow left. Okay, and then the content will be on the right. And inside of this, is the navigation. You probably want to get rid of the paragraph here. don't know why I need a paragraph here. Probably just a mistake here. So what you can see here is within the navigation tag, you have 3 hyperlink as an anchor. And so each of them, you probably would like to give some style. So for example, like that, you would like to adding a new selection. I would like to give the anchor for first the text would be let's see, background. Okay, I just give a little bit background so we can see the different area. So I'd like to pick a color. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, I would like to have some color similar to what the background there is. And so let's see if there's a color, and then I would like to give a padding for each of the padding. Give it 10 for each size. I would like to give a margin for up and down for 2 pixel maybe. Okay, 2 pixel. And I would also like to have at least a, the anchor display as block. So that would be separating them for each of the line. And the text would be different color. Color would be much brighter. Okay. And much bold, probably. Style. No, the weight would be bold. And then I would don't like the underscore there for decoration, so I get rid of decoration on the left. So as you can see, let's see, save this, update, close, okay. And the style need to save. As we adding each of the style sheet actually is writing the code for us. Okay, for header, for navigation. So for example, we set up the navigation, the width and this float left, and the footer, I would like to give a new footer area, have a background color, footer, okay, background color, let's say very similar to what we had earlier. Okay, and would like to have the text to be aligned center. Okay, and here I would like to add actually add something to the code. There's a navigation and that's main. I would like, so while you design and working on your files, you probably need to know just a little bit, although you're working with the design, but you probably want to know a little bit code gradually, because that will be easy for you. So add a horizontal rule to separating the area right now. So that shows as HR as a horizontal rule. Okay. So far we have got a layout, and I would like to actually adding for this area, main area, to have a new style as well, to kind of making a little bit padding on the right here. So let's see if I save this right now and save the style, and I would like to see what the result is. So you can see the content probably are against, although the navigation is turning left, and the heading has something wrong. Okay, the heading has something wrong. So we need to see what's wrong. Okay, probably need to see. All right, the header we gave a height, and align center. And the width we put 0 because we didn't get rid of that. So basically, it's not right. So we go back to header, and so we look at the width right here, and we should have this removed. And then to see if that solves the problem. And at the same time, so I would like to also have this main area back here for the selector. I should have main. Okay, I don't have it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to add one for main. It's not for paragraph, it's really for main. Okay, and I would like to have the heading on the left to be 180, probably. Too much. Okay, 150. All right, so I can have the content switch to the right a little bit. So padding, basically you can treat each of this area as a box wherever we highlight, and the box moving from the left corner, left edge to 150 pixels. So let's add for the navigation part, I would like to add the height to let's put 600 there, and then change the color. Use color picker to pick the same color here, and now we're going to save this, and then we're going to look. So we definitely have a consistent layout website for odd members.